Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the T-Mobile REVVL 6X Pro 5G for Metro by T-Mobile. So the REVVL 6X Pro 5G is a new budget smartphone from Metro by T-Mobile. It is now available in a moonlit ocean color, 256 GB of storage, and there is the phone right there. It looks like the REVVL 6 Pro, so that's pretty cool there. So this is what the phone looks like here. You guys have your teardrop noise for your front-facing camera there. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. On the back of the phone is your quad camera setup. Camera first, T-Mobile logo there on the back. Very nice. The left side of the phone has your micro SD and SIM card slot. Here's a look at the back of the phone. Triple camera system. Quad camera system. My bad. Quad camera system. Camera first, T-Mobile logo there on the back. It looks like a dark gray color, so kind of interesting there. Right side of the phone, power button, volume keys there. The REVVL 6X Pro 5G can be yours for $29.99 with a new number with Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys just get a new number, it is $29.99, which is not a bad deal. I think it's a really good deal. For $30, you're getting a really awesome phone. For retail price is $29.99, so not bad for the full retail price. If you bring your own number to Metro, y'all guys can get the REVVL 6X Pro 5G for free, which is also a great deal as well. So it doesn't matter if you get a new number with Metro or bring your own number to Metro. You're getting a great deal nonetheless. So that's awesome. Features: so it has a quad camera setup, like I just mentioned. 50 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth, and then 2 megapixel macro camera lenses on the back. 16 megapixel front facing camera, 33 hours of talk time, 27 days of standby time. It has a 20.5 by 9 aspect ratio, LCD display, 720 by 1640 pixel resolution. You guys also get 5G, obviously, 6.82 inch HD plus display, 5000 mAh battery, quad camera system, a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, wireless charging on board. The T-Mobile REVVL 6X Pro 5G offers a premium blend of performance and features with an extra large HD plus display, quad camera system, double memory, and a powerful battery, all at an incredible price. Plus, it's backed by a 2-year limited warranty for the utmost confidence. So that is really cool. So y'all guys can check out this YouTube video. Just click the video and it will play. So that is pretty cool. So check out that video. Specs: so the REVVL 6X Pro 5G has a 5000 mAh battery. It has a headphone jack, which is very nice to see. Type-C charging port. Connected to the options, it has Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABGN and AC, Bluetooth 5.1. It also has NFC. So Google Pay will work with this phone here. It has a MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, Android 13 on board, which I am assuming Android 13. 6 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage, 2 TB of micro SD card expansion. It has 4G LTE, 5G of course, supported email platform, sharing their compatibilities, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot of course, frequencies. The REVVL 6X Pro 5G weighs 7.55 ounces, so it is a bit hefty. Dimensions: it is 6.85 inches height, 3.06 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth there, so pretty cool there. So what comes in the box is your T-Mobile REVVL 6X Pro 5G smartphone, data cable, quick start guide, product safety information, terms and conditions. You guys will have to provide your own charging brick. I don't know if it's I don't know if the cable is Type-C to Type-C, if it's Type A to Type-C. I'm not really sure. So I would look into that before getting this phone here. So send itself in the box there. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The T-Mobile REVVL 6X Pro 5G is now here at Metro by T-Mobile. Y'all guys can get it for $29.99 with a brand new number with Metro, or if you bring your own phone number, it is free. So not bad for a free phone. It has great specs and features for what it is. The full retail price is $229, but it's still a great deal at that price too. So it doesn't matter which way y'all guys get the phone, it's a great deal nonetheless. It's worth checking out, and it looks very nice, and definitely worth checking out if you guys are interested. So the REVVL 6X Pro is a very nice looking phone, definitely worth checking out. So not bad for a budget 5G smartphone, especially if you guys can get it for free. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.